What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking test comparison between Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 to see which device is going to be better in terms of benchmarking test score result and the overall performance. But before we start, if you're new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So these are the benchmarking applications we got today here on our devices. For Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, we performed all of these tests twice on inner display as well as on the outer display to see how much difference we are going to get in terms of test score result. So we will do the comparison with Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra considering the results from both inner and outer display. So first of all, let's start with AnTuTu benchmark. So Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra scored 1.247931 millions and Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 scored 1.285887 millions. So as you can see, performance of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is a bit better compared to Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra for the inner display. If you go to the individual test score results, then here you can compare the result of CPU, GPU, memory and UX, and as you can see that in CPU, the difference is negligible. The same goes with the memory as well. The maximum difference we are getting is from the GPU and UX, but our concern is the overall score, and in that, performance of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is better when it comes to inner display. Now talking about the outer display, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 scored 1.237285 million. So this time, performance of Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is better if you're talking about the benchmarking test score result on the cover screen. And once again, here you can compare the result of CPU, GPU, memory and UX to get the better idea. Now let's go back from here. Let's have a look on the next test for today, and that's going to be the 3D Mark. So here we are going to compare the benchmarking test score result of Wildlife Extreme. So for Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, the best performance is coming here in 3810. And for our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, as I said, we have performed this test twice. So for the inner display, the score is 3813, and for Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, it is 3810. So the difference is next to none. Even in terms of FPS, they are getting pretty much the exact same FPS in Wildlife Extreme. If we go to the cover screen, once again, the difference is not too much, but this time the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is getting a bit better FPS, even though it is just slightly increased, and you can give the credit to the smaller cover screen of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 compared to the display of Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. And now if you go back from here to the last test for today, that's Geekbench 5. So Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra scored 1537 in single core and 4921 in multi-core, while Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 scored 1451 for single core and 5205 for multi-core for the inner display. And if we are talking about the cover screen, then it is scored 1544 in single core and 5241 in multi-core. So for the cover screen, the performance is better in both single core and multi-core, and for the inner display, the multi-core performance is better compared to Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So as you can see, the performance of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is slightly better depending whether you are talking about the cover display or the inner display, but the difference is negligible, and you will get equal performance from Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.